don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Al Hilal 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Ubaba Umnigen wakamtungu.
Unobaba omncane kangaka.
Usubaba tema lapha. Hayi ngiyaxolisa Mnikeni.
Uyabona manje. Yeah, manje
Mnikeni.
Boss Tibo. Asiqale sithi hard luck Sundowns.
Sure.
Yeah, kuzolunga kokuzayo.
Sure.
I Sundowns ke kodwa esathi hard luck kufanele iyojima.
Sure tamam.
Engikubonile I-control midfield ibingekho.
Yes time.
Bebengakwazi ukulawula igame omkwena, yabona nje umkwena uAlende, uSantos. Bebelalele inkosi yami akudlalekanga.
Yes time.
Yeah, manje imangabe ingekho icontrol esiswini, mangabe umkwena elahlekile. Vele Sundowns ngeke izidlale kahle.
Ulimele.
Yeah, kuphinde futhi ilento engeke ngayisho iSundowns ukuthi ayinawo amawinga. Ine winga yodwa. Usaleng. Manje usaleng usafika kuMunapule. Usafika akakadlali. Asazi ukuthi uzoqala nini ukudlala ngoba kukhona nokuthi bamthathe elimele.
Usemamol.
Yeah, usemamol. Yeah, manje icontrol yalahleka lapho. Igoli lelokuqala benze iphutha lapha kanti vele balele kuvulekile uOnyango bekumphoqa ukuthi aphuma epalini yo defender kanti maye defender usezodlalisa kabi umuntu ubambe indoda vele lapha ibhola kalitholanga bekufanele ukuthi kube ipenalty wayishaya kahle lo yam4 kanti lesibili unumber 7 ekube igoli elihle kakhulu kodwa nakhona bekuyiso lespace lesabasivulile phakathi kwedefense nemidfield ukuthi kade bengakwazi ukuthi bedlale kahle. Awukwazi ukushiya umdiba ekhaya.
Yes.
Yeah, noma ngabe umshiye ebenchini awukwazi. Ngoba uyadlala uThato Sibiya, uyadlala kodwa akamuhle kahle mangabe kuyiwa phakathi noma ngithi makuyiwa phambili noma ngithi ubengemuhle kahle kanti Sundowns ayinawo amawinga wabo ukuba ama-wing back i-left back ne-right back nangaka right umdawu ubezama kodwa futhi naye was not effective enough which contributed to their loss. So during as the tournament goes on, it's not bad yet because they've got 5 points. But now they depend on the other result, on what Mkwena and that other team do. If Mkwena wins, he will be tied with Sundowns. If Mukoko FC wins, their favorite team, then it will be a problem as well. So yeah, I don't like that. But in terms of Cardoso. Cardoso is not a bad coach.
Yeah.
But he's not, what can I say? He's from Tunisia. He's from those countries, the North African countries. Their football is all about running and crosses. It's not the shoe shine and piano. But I will say he did it because he won the league. But Sundowns supporters need to understand that he has his own style of play, though we expect him to play the Sundowns way.
Sure.
So, yeah, he was employed. He's a good coach, but let them buy him wingers. Let them buy him wingers left and right. We had Fire Masilela before, the old players. He used to give us problems. So now they don't have any wingers, and it's very if the wing backs are failing to penetrate, or if they are pressed, they can't go forward. So it means no one will come on the or we will open up that defense. But Salis is very good. His goal was very good. His contribution was very good. Running off the ball, running with the ball, getting into spaces. He was brilliant as usual. So I love Salis. But Masandawana well done to those who traveled to watch the team. Otherwise, sihlangane kusasa esigodini.
Thank you Thambalanga.
Ngiyabonga.
Awuyibekile baba.